Hey, just wanted to make this video for some people who may be still learning their color theory or may be intimidated on what color they should use for their artwork. And one good example is that you can just look up a color wheel online if you're doing digital art. One really good source is actually Color Adobe. It's really easy to find. All you have to do is just type in color wheel when you're searching it on Google, and it just gives you a long range of colors. And this right here, you can grab this middle section and just move it to wherever you want to, and it just keeps adjusting to whatever color is I'm going over, as you can see. And there are other options such as monochrome, which is if you want to stay within the same color family for your art piece. Triad, complementary, if you ever need help with your complementary colors, this is a great way to find them, as you can see. Also, if you ever have trouble finding color for skin tone, because looking at this, it would probably be really hard for someone to say, how in the world can I find a skin tone color? Well, another way that you can do that is you can just simply Google skin tone color palettes, and they'll give you all these options of all these different color palettes. I personally use them myself. Um, Even if it doesn't give you the exact shade that you want, you can still use these color palettes by just simply going in and, like, for example, I have a color palette set already. You can just simply go in, drop the image, use your your dropper, and go ahead and place it down as just a circle or anything like that to see how you feel. Sometimes when you're doing a piece of art, if you don't like how it looks, you might, sorry, end up doing it. If you're doing a piece of art and you initially say, I like this color, but then you put it down overall on a face and you don't like it, don't be afraid, because this is just a guide. You can just use this as a foundation to find another skin tone if you want to go lighter, or if you wanted to go darker within that same color family, you can easily go darker. And even from there, it still gives you an option to figure out exactly what color family you are. And if you ever lose your spot, you can always pull your chart out, find it again, and keep dabbling around to get the color that you need. I hope this helps people. I know sometimes things like coloring, including if you're not really used to having such a large option, like as you can see with this palette for my digital program, it can be really overwhelming and you don't know what color you're going to select. Another thing I do want to point out is, for example, right here where it says color code number, another good thing you can use from Adobe is when you go into Adobe and you, for example, I want this blue right here. Here is the color code. Here is the color code number. You can just simply copy that number, go into your paint program, and paste it. And you can have the exact same color, which is another great helpful tool if you don't know what this color is on the color wheel, but you want to use it in your drawing program. That's how you can find it. Anyway, I just wanted to show this video because I think sometimes artists forget that there are so many tools to help you draw, and they're just tools, they're not cheats. Just like any other skill work, anybody's going to use tools to help make their work easier. I mean, you know, for example, if you need to break rocks, you're not going to break rocks with a fork or a spoon. You're going to use a pickaxe. And if you have the option to use machinery, you're going to use machinery. You're still getting the job done. It's just different in a different way. And it's the same thing with art. So don't be afraid to incorporate tools like these into your art journey. Anyway, I hope you guys have a great day and I hope these tips help. Bye.